GE refrigerator model GTS18GTHBB error codes. GE17.5 CU. Fort Frost Free Top Freezer Refrigerator. This fridge is easy to keep neat and organized with spill-proof shelves, sliding and adjustable shelves, and gallon-size bins. Plus, crisper drawers help to keep food fresh longer. Error codes. Code FF. Problem. Check frozen food for thawing because the temperature is rising too high. Code PF. Problem. The power to the refrigerator has been interrupted. Code C. Problem. Check the ice maker for proper operation. Code D. Problem. The defrost system has not operated properly in the last 24 hours. Code CC. Problem. Check the temperature controls because the temperature for the refrigerator is incorrect.